Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So this is going to be another important video for those who are striving to get LinkedIn Top Voice Golden Badge or say Yellow Badge. So you can see it right here. A few days back, I got it for I think 4 to 5 topics, but today I when I just checked like 5 minutes back, so I got it for training too. So, as I told you, there are some topics. If I talk about team management, leadership, skills development, and then training, and these are the topics where if you are investing your 10 to 15 minutes on a daily basis to cover at least 6 to 7 articles, then trust me, within 3 days you can get it. Okay, but if I talk about topics, say resume writing, okay, then maybe digital marketing writing, these are the topics where you can get it. But ऐसा है कि you need to cover at least maybe 10 to 12 articles on a daily basis. Okay, so just give me 1 second. Okay, okay, let's see what's the percentage rate for me when it comes to resume writing. Do you remember a few days back? I think yesterday or yeah, a day before yesterday, it was 14%. So for training, you can see it. It's 4%. Okay, you can see it. It's 4%. That's why I have got the badge. For in order to get the badge, we need to be inside 5% of contributors. You can see it right here. Okay, so let's do one thing. Uh, let's just look for some other topics, or let's go for resume writing. Okay, so here are more articles on training. Here is resume writing. Okay, let's see it. Okay, so you can see I'm still in these 14% of quality contributors to resume write. So the thing is, there are topics where if we are investing a lot of time, so still we won't get it within 3 to 4 days. Why? Because there is hell lot of competition, right? So just go for, if you want that one badge, one golden badge in your profile, so just go for topics where you feel that like not a lot of people are covering these kind of topic. Okay, so let me tell you a few topics that you can cover and that will look good in your LinkedIn profile, and also it will help you to like these topics will help you to get the badge as soon as possible. So you can see it right here. I'm clicking here on all to find all topics based on top LinkedIn voice. Okay, so you can see now, you can see here more to explore. So from there we can get all topics, but if you want to get it all together alphabetically, so you just need to click on see all topics. Here you can see everything. Okay, you can see everything. If you are a coding person, you can go for Java and all other things. Sorry, my parrot is right here, he's sleeping. He's making noise because I'm making noise, so just avoid it. Okay, so other than this, if I talk about main topics, okay, so firstly let's go to S. Okay, in S you can go for, if I talk about salary negotiations. Okay, salary negotiations, then it comes to let me look for it. Mm, okay, instead of resume writing, okay, you can go for screening resumes. So this is the topic where competition would be too less and you can get it within a few days. If you are a writer, instead of striving for resume writing, if you want that one badge firstly to your profile, on your profile, go for topics like that are not directly related to your niche. If I talk about resume writing, but that are indirectly connecting that say like dots towards your professional career or the interest that you are in. Okay, so if I talk about resume writing, so instead of going for resume writing, you can easily go for screening resumes, and within a few days, maybe I think within 2 to 3 days hardly, you can get it. Okay, once you get that badge, one single badge on your profile, after that you can strive for resume writing, but parallelly you can go for other topics also. Now if you are in also you can go for, okay, the self confidence, you can go for okay, there are a lot of topics. You can just read these topics and you can understand where there would be less number of people. Okay, we need to focus on that thing. Now again, if you are in social media platforms, so you can go for instead of going for social media marketing, you can go for social media outreach. Let's do one thing. As I have covered a few topics on SM, this thing, okay, smo. So let's see firstly the percentage rate for me. And also, if you are going to cover any article, so instead of going for 20 contributions, 11 contributions, 18 contribution, try to go for articles where there is less number of contributions, like this. It's just 5 contributions, okay. So I'm going to cover this because less number of people are covering this kind of topic, okay. So they are saying, okay, it's like I'm not still in that 40% to 28% of people, because I have not covered this topic since last, I think, 7 to 8 days. That's why this rate has again got changed, okay. Okay, so in order to cover this, just copy the question. Do right now I'm not in mood to do it, to be honest enough, because I think I have got enough badges and I'll do it later. I am not. I don't want, like, at this moment. I was about to, like, this is around 12:16, so I was about to take rest. So I'm not in mood to, like, cover these kind of topics. Okay, just avoid it. I'm just sharing like this thing with you, so you can cover, instead of direct topics. If I talk about social media smm, social media marketing, you can go for search engine marketing, sem, or and you can also go for social media optimization, okay, smo. Instead of going for search engine instead of seo, you can go for smo, okay. Instead of smm, you can go for search engine marketing, that is sem. Instead of going directly to any topic, if you feel that there are a lot of people in like striving to get the best of this topic, so you can go for the same niche but indirectly, okay. Okay, for resume writing, I have checked it that it's hell lot of competition for this niche. So just that, yeah, if you want it, so what we can do you know, like right now, if, as we have just checked that it's 14% for me, so let's just do one thing. Okay, though I'm not in mood to do anything like this, to be honest enough, but but let's cover a few topics, a few questions, okay. And then after a few days, we'll just cover it, okay. We'll just see that whether we have gained, like, say, whether there is any changes in the percentage rate of for resume writing. I think we searched for, where is resume writing. Just give me some time. Okay, let's go back. Okay, here, from there we need to go for resume writing. Mm, resume, s resume. Okay, here you go. It's resume writing. Okay, okay. So now we are going to cover a few questions, or say a few articles from this topic. Okay. So yeah, let's do it. Um, I will cover three articles, but won't take too much of time because I didn't want to do this at this moment. But just let's do it. Okay, so it's 12:19. Okay, okay. Let's see. Just check. Like, just focus on the steps that I'm doing. Copy the question. Come to Google document. Then replay. Then select all. Then elaborate it. Then replace. Okay. Then again select it all. Okay. Again select it all. After selecting it all, just go to your magic pen, and then what we need to do, we need to shorten the text, okay, because we need to cover 750 characters. And oh my god, it's 36. Okay, just avoid this, okay. We just need to cover the content. Let's copy this, delete this. And let's come back to our question, and I'm just contributing here. Come there, paste it here, add, done. Okay, again let's go back. Where is it? Though it does not take that much time, but I am not in mood to do it, so it is taking some extra minutes for me. So let's cover this too. Let's cover three, though in order to make it to 8%, so quickly we need to cover at least 7 to 8 articles, but it is going to take a lot of like time from my side, around 10 minutes. I don't want to cover or say make that long video. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here you go. Okay, just replace this. We are going to select it again. After this, what we'll do, we will what we will do, we will shorten our text. Okay, we have came here, now shortening it. Once we shorten the text, and then we'll just copy the text, and again it's 36 pen. Okay, we are going to copy the text. Okay, oh man, it is taking time. We are going to copy this text, deleting it. Okay, coming back here. Where is our question? Here, starting a contribution, pasting it. Okay, done. I think, was it our only contribution for this? Okay, for this article it's just one contribution, so try to cover articles where number of contribution is less. Okay, it's done. Two are done. Let's cover a few more. Let's not go for 36. I would like to go for this one. Man, what is this? There's a network issue from LinkedIn size. Okay, now there is this is next question. Let's cover this too. We'll be going back here, copying the question, selecting it, clicking here, elaborating it. After elaborating, we will be replacing the text. Okay, we will be replacing the text, and after replacing the text, what we are going to do, we are going to shorten it. Okay, firstly, okay, we are going to shorten it. Okay, so this is our third article. So we are done with three. Okay, here you go. Here we go. Starting a contribution, paste and add. Okay. Now what's the time? Okay, we started at 12:19, so it took 5 minutes, but still I could be more productive if I would be at that mindset to cover questions. Okay, so I could have covered maybe three minutes. That's it. So for each article, I just need, I think, 50 seconds, or you can say you can think of 40 seconds. So if your efficiency is good, once you get the process, what to do, how to do, then it won't take too much of time for you. So if within these 3 to 4 minutes I can cover three topics, three articles, so I think you can just convey your 15 minutes and cover at least 8 to 10 articles. Okay. Firstly, choose one topic. If you have no badge in your profile, no golden badge. Okay. Make sure that we are talking about golden badge and not about those blue badge of top boys. So golden badge are nothing but community top boys. Okay. Okay. So yeah, to get that one badge in your profile, just choose one topic. Strive for this on a daily basis. Cover at least 8 to 10 articles, and do it for around 2 to 3 days. Within 3 days, I'm very sure you'll get it. Okay. And if not three, then maybe five. But within 3 to 5 days, you will be getting it for sure. Okay. So yeah, I just want to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Good night.